Oh, change the program.
I can't believe this is really happening. I thought gangways can't go express.
Wait, what you talking about? What R211T behind us?
Oh my God.
Wait, ain't that why we saw the action going express down there?
93, 48 to 93, 95, 48 to 95, 52. Then the next one is 93, 40, 47, 95, 95, 38.
We got the lineup, yo. Hold on.
Is that right?
We're going first.
The first thing,
Go to the fucking middle now. You go express gang.
Oh my God, we're really doing it. Ah, shit. Oh. Niggas is tight, bro.
Tight.
Shit. Best way to end the day, I'll tell you that.
Oh, they got a G train right there. Oh, that one was.
Hey, yo, what's good with these
If I
lights
would
in
have
the
taken out
tunnel?
double G, I would have been cooked. I ain't gonna lie.
What's good, homie? First day of R211 is operating on the G, going via express because of a train with a mechanical problem at 4th Avenue, 9th Street.
No, not you, him. Not you, him. Not you, my bad.
Nah.
I'm just too hyped right
Don't
now.
they got the G Express?
Oh, I know this nigga. It's you. You brought
down the Harley train.
some train. I forgot what.
I'm getting on the train.
The R9.
I'm getting on the train real quick. I'm gonna take a look in the front. That's good. I know.
Mad Heights Base Train. Run!
I can't believe this is really happening. Like, I'm speechless, bro. What?
This is the G Express train. Next stop, at last stop, Church Avenue. Next and last stop, Church Avenue. Stand here to close the doors.
This is real open game right now. Exactly this. This is your first time on. What the fuck? They just skipped the ball. They should.
But they just put it in service.
I think they're gonna play it all the way back.
Oh, but it's going express. Stand next to what's up? And the aircraft.
Close that shit. Close that, bro. Close that. The Emirates ever do that. What the fuck is happening? Don't worry. I got that video super hit when we were back. I said that shit. Emirates said, what the fuck is happening? That's not working.
bro. With the paddle, yo. No. The shoe was crazy, man. Oh. Yeah, that's the. I never thought it would be him. I ain't gonna lie. I just never thought it would be him. No, this is like hard.
Should make another one so connect. That'd be cool.
Yeah, I actually do have 2 cars at home.
And like some old school bands with like, you know, then someone tried to bring up something that they clean.
Think how he even did that.
They kicked me out for taking the wrong person. And the good thing is before like I did that, I was already putting all their channels at my channel. So anytime they upload something, help them get it. Landon, get out.
Take it, I'm taking it. What the A? The A.
Wait, no, yo, R211T G.
Hey, bro.
It's one of my legends right here,
They
bro.
also do on the service. Use like the way of like
Actually, no. You and my sister went to
yeah, I was on the 7 train and I just
What's my mother when I get a kid, I'm popping out with the head since I'm like,
yeah, I've been to all the trains, but every time. I know I was at the holiday train. One of my friends went to the holiday train every time. Neil.
That one get ankles?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Probably right.
Where you looking? Is that school iPad?
Yeah. Oh, yes. That's a pretty.
You hold? Get held up? No, get held up?
I'm waiting for
Red signal.
Red signal. I'm not a game ever again. I wish I would pop up with somebody video because I just brought it down to take a picture. I wish I would. Because you got me. Niggas talk shit about me. Niggas came out here with iPads, bro. Now can't never come out with an iPad. Like, this shit is big in this curve. I ain't gonna lie. Watermelon.